Well, looking at the numbers, the Philippine Army here, ito yung pinag-uusapan natin kanina, no? In terms of attacks, nakakasabay ang Navy, but it's really the service ace of the Philippine Army that made the difference in the first set. Look at that, 7 aces. Tapos on top of that, itong Philippine Army even had about 9 errors. So, medyo nahirapan dito yung Philippine Navy adjusting to the game of the Philippine Army.
And look at that, to start off the second set, another service ace. This time from the setter, Tina Salak. And Rina Villamor talked about itong si Laborte as their libero, but it seems that she really hasn't found the groove yet for this match. Good block there from Michelle Carolino. 2-0 here in the second set. Shakey's, if it's fun, family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. This time a better reception from Laborte. Good save there from Torres. Oh, again, Laborte.
Misjudged that ball and had a hand on it. Yun ang sayang, ano na.
Yeah.
Look at that again. It was a long ball from Carolino.
Tina still at the serve. Good reception from Laborte. Prochina gets it through the block. Set up for Carolino. Good defense by the Navy. Dump there, dug up. Joust at the net. Carolino tips it over. There you go, that's Arasan again. This time, third time could be the charm. This one defended right away. Prochina will set it up to Arasan again. The block is there.
Long rally.
Oh, Prochina getting it across. Mayet defended, or that was Michelle. Arasan with the left hand to Torres.
Kita mo, may pagod na rin dito, ano? Because this by far has been the longest rally. And Prochina, not enough juice already on that last attempt. Kita mo rin yung hingal, because tagal nung balikan ng bola.
Alam mo, hindi ko lang kita. Ramdam ko yung hingal.
Ganun din ba mararamdaman mo kung ikaw yung naglalaro?
Nakikita ko lang sila, parang ako mismo nahihingal na sa kanila.
Matagal-tagal yung rally na yun.
Oo, grabe. A lot of jousts at the net. Oh, this is not over. Mayet getting it into the tape. That is the first point for the Philippine Navy. And Maylene Mirabueno with a serve. She replaced Joan Botor as the setter here in the second set. Bunag with a good attack right there, 5-1. Mikasa, the official ball of the Shakey's, V. Bunag with a top spin serve to Arasan. Prochina. Michelle, wow.
Just enough spin on that ball. It actually landed right in front of Laborte.
That's the way to attack. Malapit, malayo sa net.
May risk talaga.
Oh, you should still try and win the point. Not just go through the motion and send that ball over.
What you like about Carolino also, Michelle Carolino, when she attacks is yung top spin niya hindi nawawala.
Yeah.
Kahit pa nasa likod, nasa harap, kung ano man yung bola, you'll see the wrist action.
Prochina with a serve. Alarca!
One of the signature moves of Jack Alarca.
Against Mata and Rosale. They get that point via that drop from Jack Alarca. 7-2, a 5-point lead here in the second set. Oh, again, service ace, and this is probably the third or fourth this second set. 8-2, a 6-point lead for the Army. First technical timeout. We will be back.